Hey, all right. I trust with that kind of smile, we're taking a break from some Wednesday homework, and we want to share with you just a few things that you can do to stay active. And here's one thing I've noticed is I'm so fortunate and grateful that I have so many health and fitness people that are on my Facebook group and page and Instagram, because more now people are contributing to how we can be healthier, how we can take advantage of this opportunity. Because one thing is for sure, that we tend to procrastinate on our health and doing the things that we know we need to be doing. We're just not doing the things that we know. And it's all about consistency. So whether we're at home for the next 3 weeks, could be 3 months, it could be through, August or September. Consistency over complexity. Don't overthink it. Don't try to be creative. Don't try to complicate the process of just being healthy, because you can really just start one exercise at a time. So on this break from homework, I'm going to show you just a few things that are kind of baseline physical activities that we can do, starting with any presses and some of the push-up movements that I like to employ in my training with my clients. I have an abundance of pressing movements and push-up variations built into my workout builder at Fitastic.com. So let's go over just a few of those right here. And I have my beautiful assistant here that says, hey, I want to be able to bring value and contribute as well. So let's go over the standard push-up.
I'm right here.
Oh, and we have a little creature back here as well, who apparently is camera shy, so it might not be my son, but I think the physical proof is in the pudding. So push-up. We can do all types of push-ups at home, but let's start with just some of the simplicity. And let me show you how. I don't know exactly how I want to do this, but let's go through what a standard push-up is and how we can make it most efficient. And you don't have to do a ton of repetitions, just have technique and form at the forefront of your application when it comes to your movements and exercise. So typically a push-up is going to be, hands are going to be underneath the shoulders. And I know I have a lot of advanced people that are going to be watching this and they're like, Steve, you're showing how to do push-ups. Yeah, 11% of people have a health club membership. Very few of those 11% actually use it. I want to help the people that are looking to make a start. Like they're at home, they're starting to, become stir crazy already. Like I'm one of them. I'm not taking this as well as I thought I was going to as far as being home and isolated. I need people like you in my life. So here's how you do the push-up.
Okay.
Who wants to demonstrate?
Me.
Or we're going to make this short. All right, do it with me now. Do it with me. Hands underneath the shoulders. You can see me here. Again, I'm going to see if I can get this to work right. All right. Hands under the shoulders. Keep the elbows 45 degrees to the torso. And you're just simply going to press. You can keep your feet together. You can keep your feet wider. It really won't matter. Inhale as you descend. Exhale as you extend. Inhale as you exhale as you extend. So inhale when you're coming down with the push-up. Exhale, press away when you're doing the push-up. Now the gremlins are coming out. Now we have some activity. And by the way, families that train together and exercise together are families that are happy together. I promise you that. We all want to be happier. We all want to be healthier. So if you could be healthier, should you be? Practice those push-ups. Just get a couple sets of 10 repetitions. Don't overdo it. Just get used to it. Again, consistency is going to trump the complexity of it every single time. What you do every day matters more than what you do every so often. If you want to regress it, go to your knees. And plus, this is WrestleMania right now as well. All right, so you can go to your knees as well. Just make sure your feet stay through the floor. I'm trying to imagine a straight line from your shoulder to, in this case, the knee. And we're just going to come down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Don't lead with the hips up. Don't porpoise the way down. And inhale and exhale. So how do you want to make something a little more complex? And I appreciate your patience with us here. I just want to give you a little bit of value and bring some things. And again, I'm seeing people post all over now, home exercises, home activities. This is not something new for us here, but if we can share some things that work really, really well, Cardio. You can do some cardio too. Just moving more is going to create more cardio. And so you can find sliders too. Check this out. So these are just furniture sliders that you just move furniture with. These are just a few dollars. And this is going to give you the ability to really kind of use a lot more and recruit a lot more different muscle so that you can engage a little bit differently. So here, you can slide out this way and up. I don't know if you can see that or not. Inhale, exhale. And the key on this one is when you're doing it, I'll show you from a front view here, is you want to keep the chest lined up through the center line here. So you'll see here, as I'm bringing this forward, I'm here. I'm not coming out this way. I'm keeping it center forward. So I can keep it lined up. I can come outwards. And again, if you want to keep some of it even just simpler, go to your knees. Do something that's going to be, again, consistent. Something that you can see yourself doing every single day. Or at least when the chest isn't going to be real sore. And if you're just trying to stimulate it now, you might have some soreness and tenderness for sure. You can go out as well. So here, out this way, back up, out this way, and up. And if you don't have sliders, no worries. Get yourself a hand towel. BTF, baby. Bringing it back old school. Got my old BTF towel from, hey, who wants to hold this? All you need is a floor, hardwood tile. This is what we got going on here. I'm like, hey guys, want to do a quick video on how to do some push-ups? Who wants to participate? I do. And that's what I get. That's what I get. I'm going to pay him in peanuts is what I'm going to do. You guys want some peanuts?
Yeah.
Or how about some cashews or some walnuts? That's what I got. Actually, some almonds.
I want some money.
Yeah, I bet. All right, so I'm going to turn this around. But you know what? I can do it right here. I can do it right here. So you got the hardwood. Take a towel. Again, doesn't have to be complex. You can go to your knees if you like. And simply just come out this way and pull. Down and pull. Out to the side and pull. So I'll make sure I got you in the frame here. And pull. Challenge yourself. Give yourself the ability to get 10 repetitions. Maybe it's 15, maybe it's 20, but whatever you can do, get it in. Record it, track it, and always try to improve each and every day or every day that you decide that you want to do push-ups. Push-ups is a staple in creating a strong, more stable body. And especially in this day, everybody's talking about how do we improve our immune system? How do we become healthier? How do we, protect our family, protect ourselves? Physical activity of any sort is going to serve you tremendously. So even if it's just taking a walk outside, but I can't encourage you enough to start employing some resistance training in your day, breaking down some of that lean muscle tissue only to rebuild it back up with proper rest and proper nutrition. And if you have questions about the nutrition especially, I have a lot of questions coming through. I have a lot of direct messages flooding into my box here, and I'd love to help everybody. I really, really would. And it really starts with having awareness to what you're doing right now to make improvements. Hey, so how'd you guys like that? Was that helpful for you?
Kind of.
All right, now we gotta do some homework. Who's ready for some homework? Look at that strength. All right, everybody, make it a great Wednesday. Make it a Wednesday worth repeating. Put some muscle into it. Keep being active with your family. And remember, you get to do this. You get to engage and interact with your family and be home and spend time with your loved ones and without the thought of, you got to. Well, I got to because the society or government is telling me I have to do something. No, you get to do this. Be grateful, full of abundance of what you have available. Even if it's a little rowdy. We got a new normal now, so let's embrace it and let's make it a day worth repeating. Talk to you later. Let's go. Hey, guys, say let's go.
Let's go.